i-address na po natin. Kasi nandiyan po, si Congressman Abante, nadinig ko po yung interview nyo, sabi nyo po dapat pangalanan po ni Mayor Magalong. So ayaw nyo bang mag-present ng motion na imbitahan na siya kaagad para pangalanan na rin po niya? At sinabi naman po niya na willing naman po siyang imbitahan.
I make the motion now.
Better, Mr. Chair, to show na talagang seryoso tayong imbitahan siya.
Palagay ko,
I just have one.
Mr. Chair,
Before speaking, I have one question lang po to Congressman Chaco. Is this part of your interpellation or what is this? Okay. All right.
It's part of my 5 minutes, Mr.
Okay.
Chair.
All right.
And after this, I will have no further questions because this will be my basis of seeing if talagang may pupuntahan tong committee na to o wala. Kung ayaw natin imbitahan si Mayor Magalong sa agarang panahon, magkakaproblema tayo sa credibility niyan.
But I think
for anything else. Bakit natin ginugulo itong hearing na ito samantalang marami naman naghihintay dyan ng mga contractors na very much willing to be interpolated?
All right. Thank you for your response, Congressman Chaco, please.
No further questions.
Thank you.